Welcome to our guide on using the Fifth Third Bank app. Today, we'll explore its fantastic features to help you manage your finances effectively. First, let's download the Fifth Third Bank app. Simply open your App Store, search for Fifth Third Bank, and tap Download. To log in, open the app and enter your username and password. If you're a new user, click Sign Up to create your account. Within the app, you can easily manage your accounts, check balances, view transactions, and even set alerts. To transfer money between your Fifth Third accounts, go to the Transfer section, select your accounts, enter the amount, and tap Send. If you wish to send money to an external account, select External Transfer, enter the recipient's bank details, and review your transfer. Use Zelle for quick and easy person-to-person money transfers. Just tap the Zelle icon, enter the recipient's email or number, and send. To set up recurring transfers, select the amount, frequency, and final confirmation. It's a great way to automate payments. Be sure to regularly check the Transactions tab to track your spending and keep an eye on your balance updates. In conclusion, to keep your financial data secure, remember to always log out of the app when finished and enable two-factor authentication.